In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview gallery pictures at Craigslist. If you're browsing Craigslist and want to take a closer look at the pictures included in a listing, the platform makes it easy to preview gallery images before deciding whether you're interested in a post. Viewing photos can help you better understand what is being offered and can save you time when searching through multiple listings. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Craigslist website. Once the site loads, sign in to your Craigslist account. While some listings can be viewed without signing in, having access to your account can make browsing and managing your activity more convenient. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Craigslist homepage. From here, you can begin browsing through the various categories available on the platform. Craigslist organizes listings into sections such as services, housing, jobs, community, and many others, making it easier to find the type of content you're looking for. For this example, let's start by selecting the services category. Once you're inside that section, you can browse through the available subcategories. In this case, you might choose a category such as beauty to view related listings. After exploring that section, you can also navigate to other categories such as housing, depending on the type of post you want to review. As you browse through the available listings, look for a post that interests you. Craigslist often displays information such as the title, location, and sometimes a thumbnail image, giving you a quick preview before opening the full listing. When you find a post you'd like to examine more closely, click on it to open the listing page. Once the post opens, you'll be able to view the images associated with that advertisement. These gallery pictures provide a visual representation of the item, service, property, or opportunity being offered. Take your time looking through the available photos. Previewing gallery pictures can help you verify details, check the condition of an item, view property features, or better understand the content of the listing. Images often provide valuable information that may not be fully described in the text portion of the post. If a listing contains multiple pictures, you can browse through them to get a more complete view of what is being advertised. Reviewing all available images can help you make a more informed decision before contacting the poster or exploring the listing further. And that's how you can preview gallery pictures on Craigslist. By browsing to the appropriate category, opening a listing, and viewing the images provided, you can quickly get a better understanding of the post and its contents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.